In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a test price in Stripe. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard and making sure you are in the correct Stripe account. Before creating anything, switch your dashboard to the test environment. In some versions of Stripe, this appears as test mode. In other versions, you may see it under sandboxes. Once you switch over, confirm that you are viewing test data. This is important because it ensures the price is created in your test environment and not in your live account. Next, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Product Catalog. From there, open Products to see your existing test products. Select the product that you want to add the test price to. If you do not already have a product created, click Create Product, enter the product details, and save it first. Once the product is ready, continue to the Product Details page. On the product page, find the Pricing section. Click Add Another Price or Create Price, depending on the version of the Stripe dashboard you are using. You will then choose the type of price you want to create. Select either one-time or recurring, based on how you want to test it. After that, choose the currency for the price. Then enter the amount you want to use for testing. If you selected a recurring price, choose the billing interval that fits your test case. This could be daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Stripe may also show additional pricing options depending on the pricing model you selected. Complete any required fields that appear. Before saving, review the details carefully. Check the price type, the currency, the amount, and the billing period if the price is recurring. Once everything looks correct, click Save Price or Add Price to create the new test price. After the price is created, return to the Product Details page and confirm that it appears under the Pricing section. This lets you verify that the test price has been added successfully. To make sure everything works as expected, stay in the test environment and use the new price with a payment link, Stripe checkout, or a test subscription. Go through the test flow and confirm that the checkout page shows the correct product, amount, currency, and recurring interval if applicable. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.